District Award Night to be held on 29th June at Hyderabad.
कितने रजिस्ट्रेशन होंगे नेक्स्ट 2000 होंगे
आने वाले संडे को 29 जून को डिस्ट्रिक्ट अवार्ड नाइट है हैदराबाद, जिसके मैं समझता हूँ अभी तक 15 से 17 रजिस्ट्रेशन हो चुके हैं और निज़ामाबाद क्लब के तरफ से, और क्लब के तरफ से ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि सभी काफ़ी अवार्ड्स आने के चांसेस है और हम सब मिलके जाएंगे तो काफ़ी शोभा रहेगी। धन्यवाद। Any other matter? Any other matter? बर्थडे
ये बोलना था, ड्रेस कोड लगाओ अवार्ड्स अपने कोट या कुछ, या अपन निजामाबाद दिखना है।
तो अपने प्रेसिडेंट साहब की तरफ से पिछले हैदराबाद जो सेमिनार कॉन्फ्रेंस में जब जैकेट्स थे वो सब पर अगर वो अपने साथ लेके पहन के आए तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है।
निजामाबाद दूर दिखता है सब,
ठीक है ना, अच्छी बात है। बर्थडे एंड मैरिज डे ग्रीटिंग्स। रोटेरियन भरत पटेल क्लब ट्रेजर बर्थडे एंड 23 जून। तो अच्छा भरत मैं याद है, क्लब आपकी लंबी उम्र की कामना करता है। रोटेरियन पीपी जी ज्ञान प्रकाश मैरिज डे ऑन 24 जून, रोटरी क्लब की तरफ से दोनों के लिए शुभकामनाएं और उनके लंबी उम्र की कामना करते हैं। धन्यवाद। टुडे ट्रेनर गोपाल जी सोनी को दिया जाता है।
Saloni Shah, physiotherapist, specialized in biomechanics, physical and functional assessment, bachelor's in physiotherapy and master's specializing in sports physiotherapy and biomechanics from KLE University, Karnataka, Belgaum. She was selected by Sports Authority of India right after her college in 2022 to join in Trivandrum, and after that she has worked as a performance analyst at Sportico Football Academy from 2022 to 23. Recently she was working with Curadoc Physiotherapy, treating patients across wide ranges, right from the aged patients to Ranji players, IPL players, MPL players at Pune. Currently, she is working with Vihab Physiotherapy in Madhapur, road number 36, Jubilee Hills actually. Working there as senior physiotherapist, sports, specializing in treating tennis, badminton, as well as a wide range of patients across all age groups, right from children of teenage or less than teenage to people of more than 80 years of age.
Yeah.
I welcome Dr. Saloni Saraf and
you movement free, pain free, a movement which is not painful. Everyone today like walking, but some people come here and tell walking is giving me pain. So that shouldn't be there. Walking is physical activity, that's hobby which should not stop. If your hobby is blocked, your brain cells stop working, and that leads to many other problems. Correct? So I'll start this session with one question. How many of you here wake up with some amount of stiffness or pain? Show off your hands. I know you all are fit. Do some stretches. He feels good. And there are many people who feel that. So I'll address a word stiffness. When the stiffness comes in picture, there are multiple factors which affects that. So first is water intake. Major stiffness comes with the dehydrated muscle. If your muscle is not hydrated well and you sleep in dehydration body, you wake up with the stiffness. A a severe stiffness because your muscle was not got enough nutrition to contract and relax.
इंग्लिश ठीक है, हिंदी करना
Hindi bhi chalega, no problem. Hydration is important. Second, the nutrition. Then third is your stretches. Why you need stretches? We all are in a hectic work. We all have some amount of occupational hazards. Some amount of occupational hazards means we are continuously sitting, some are continuously standing, some have some similar movements in a machinery thing. In that process, that muscle doesn't get enough time to relax or come to its normal length. It's always in particular tension. So for that, we need to stretch our body. We need to remind that muscle, this is your normal length. This is your normal length means every muscle in the body has a particular length. If that muscle is not in that length, it creates stiffness. If the stiffness is increased, it goes into a tightness, restrictions in joint movement, then joint mobility is reduced. Okay, directly the joint mobility is not affected. Every joint, the layers are there. So if particular degrees, first layer is damaged, second layer is damaged, then the joint mobility, joint stiffness comes in picture. So if anyone suggests your mobility is reduced, that means you're not stretching well, your body is not relaxed. You need to do a lot of stretches, mobility for a healthy lifestyle. Okay, so we'll start with I'll show you few exercises you will have to do with me, which basic 4 exercise for healthy lifestyle, which you have to inculcate in your lifestyle. Make a routine, at least not if you are not busy on some day, you are not doing your exercises. You make sure you do these stretches. So your muscle is tension free, not stressed, not in a contracted position always, not tensed. Okay, all are ready to have morning stretches. Stand up if everyone is comfortable. Okay, engage your core, that means tighten your stomach, then bend down. That stretch is important. Hold there for 10 seconds, bend down. Feel the stretch, count it for 1 to 10 seconds. Relax up. Felt better?
Yeah.
That stretch pain is good pain. That's why the stretch is named as good morning stretch. Sit down. The next stretch is very famous pose of South Indian actors. You have seen all of your heroes doing this pose. But we'll do it in a scientific way to give a better stretch. Okay? Everyone sit in this position. Cross your legs up.
Any leg.
Any leg. Bend down straight. No hunch, no slouching. No slouching. Straight bend. You feel a stretch. Change the leg. Relax. Everyone felt good? Or if you're sitting for a meeting for a longer time, within age you are not supposed to sit in a to do the stretch for healthy lifestyle. There should not be stiffness after attending a meeting. You should be feeling good. Then only the things discussed in the meeting can encourage your brain cell to work on it. If you are fatigued in the meeting, your brain cell will not work. Correct? This stretch is understood? 10 times. Very nice. No, like any ant is going towards your leg. You felt it. So this is the indication that you had some amount of compression at your back. So that nerve is not getting proper nutrition, blood supply due to some amount of restrictions. This is a test for that. And if you continue doing it, there is a good amount of mobility from your cervical to your low back. It gives you a perfect mobility and stretch your nerve, because everyone gives us stretches of muscles, but there are stretches and flossing exercises for your nerves. So this is a major nerve stretching, which is called sciatic nerve. You all have heard, must be sciatica.
Sciatical pain.
So this is nerve flossing exercises for that. And I suggest everyone after your 45-50, you should make a routine to stretch your nerve. This is the best nerve flossing exercises which you can do regularly. So you can also do it. Within time you will notice that the tingling numbness has reduced, because you have stretched and it has come to its original length. Any doubt till here? We have done 3 stretches. No doubt, correct? This stretch will give you the anterior, the front stretch of the body. Okay? Choose a corner of the wall. Place your hands in a W position. Take your one leg ahead and just bend and come. Anyone to
दीवार पे बता दूँ?
come back. Hold for 10 seconds and come back. So this muscles get fatigued, these muscles get tightened. So it's important to stretch them. Okay? So this is your morning routine from today. I'm expecting this. Yes? We're saying that your sitting is not good, your chair is not good, your posture of sitting is not good. I want to know how many of you sit. If you're resting your back also, go behind and rest. If you are not comfortable, you can rest your leg. Just don't do this. If you do this, there is a tailbone compression, and that gives you the nerve blocking, the numbness in the leg, this tightness in the legs because of you cannot sit like this. Take a footrest. Take a footrest, that gives you a rest. Bend, if the knee issues are there, still you can bend it in a 90 degrees. Take a footrest. This is the ideal sitting, and no complete bending. It has to be 90 degrees. The knees has to be 90, the hip has to be 90. If not possible, take a footrest. Rest it. Relax.
They sit on what we say. Gaddhi means
Slouching means if you sit with the hump this way. That's
झुके.
the worst. That's the worst. It restricts your breathing pattern. It restricts your breathing pattern. Sit straight. If that gives you pain, adjust the movement. Like I said, just you wake up with fatigue, lethargic, not feeling good to work. There might be something in systemic which is not helping your brain cell to do work, not having muscle enough nutrition to contract and relax. Correct? So there are the 2 major deficiency here comes in picture when you wake up every morning with different joint pain. Some of the joint pain you wake up with. So there are 2 deficiency. I request everyone to get checked. If you are vegetarian, then for sure you check it. Vitamin B12 and vitamin D3. These are the 2 major factors which are not giving result to us sometimes. We try a lot of things to the patient, we give a lot of exercises, we modify it, but there are sometimes some patient doesn't give results. There is some amount of pain, So we tell them these 2 factors are the thing which is stopping the full recovery. So your vitamin B12, D3 has to be perfect, and within age it has to, because B12 helps in muscle contraction and relaxation. If we walk for a longer time, we experience cramps in the muscle. Sudden cramping, sudden contraction of the muscle, that happens due to vitamin B12 deficiency sometimes. First is dehydration, second is B12 deficiency. In night, if you are sleeping constantly in one position, you suddenly, some people experience cramps in the calf muscle. This is a calf muscle. So that is the indication that you have a vitamin B12 deficiency. You might have. There are n number of reasons for that, but two major reasons for that is B12, dehydration, and D3. D3 basically body fatigue. You wake up with fatigue body, lethargic, not willing to work. That is D3. Waking up every day with different joint pain. That is D3. So I request everyone today, just take our time and check these two profiles for your betterment. If there are deficiency, consult your physicians, take your multivitamins, take your B12 vitamins, supplements for a better lifestyle. If you stretch also, if your systemic is not good, then this you will face problem every time.
What should be the
It is a vast range, but I expect everyone to be around 400. And for D3, it's 20 to 40. So I request everyone to be around 35. So for everyone who is analyzing the blood reports, and if you see, it is 202. B12 levels are 202. That is good or bad. You are in the range. But you should always be at the higher levels. You should be near 900. If you're 700, you're 500, that's a good thing. You always, in each of the profile, you have to be near or around the higher levels, not at the lower levels.
What is the source of vitamin?
Except the sugar.
Source of vitamin.
Okay. But kiwi is a rich source of B12.
Kiwi.
Spinach, palak is a good source of B12 because it binds with the iron and it mixes as a B12. It is rich in iron, so it has some amount of amino acids which binds with the blood and converts in the B12 kind of. Potassium converts in B12, bananas. Soya chunks, soya bean, soya chunks are good source of B12. Then
Fruits.
kiwi.
Kiwi.
Kiwi is one very rich source, and if anyone have mushrooms, they are very good for B12.
banana? You believe?
Banana. Banana is rich for potassium and B12. Then for non-vegetarians, everything is rich in B12. Fish oils, chicken, fish with they all are good in B12. So for non-vegetarians, it's less they face B12 deficiency, but vegetarians are highly prone for B12 deficiency. So if you are deficient, if you check today and if you come into deficiency, make sure you take a supplement and you continue doing that. If you took B12 for a month, rest it for a month and start again.
Gap of
1 month and start again. Once you're deficient for vitamin B12, you're always deficient for vitamin. You need to continue doing that with breaks. You cannot stop that. And after 50s, I request everyone to take multivitamins. Calcium, obviously, you consult your physician because calcium has tendency to deposit in the body. And vitamins are something, if you have increased level also, they flush out with your urine. They doesn't deposit in your body. They doesn't harm you. So take your multivitamins regularly. Take for 2 months, rest for 1 month. Again take for 2 months, rest for 1 month. Make a habit for it.
What are the diseases for the
In the food, it's a supplement based and absorption from the sunlight. That's the only thing you can have. D3 you cannot get from the food
which
sources.
we get free sunlight?
Free sunlight.
Free. D3 is free.
And that sunlight has to be in the morning, 7. Because ankle is the joint where your entire body weight comes in picture.
Yes.
The ASICS showroom there, they do analysis from here to there. Obviously, if you look to this, everyone will fall inside. The foot is falling inside. Everyone is antepronatal. But while you analyze from here to here, you come in the picture and you get the angulation where exactly it is happening. And antepronation means your foot is dropping inside while walking.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the walking pattern inside. So it is not possible if the both legs are going inside. This is not possible. only one leg goes inside. If both are going, then some amount of weakness or muscle, there are some different pathologies to that. Only one leg goes into antipronation. If you take antipronation shoe for both the side, how it is possible? The other leg will start paining because we are unnecessarily correcting that. There is no need of correction. So, don't get fooled with good companies also. Be smart in selecting your shoes. Take your categories. No, we want this and this. That's it. These are the three basic which you have to look before buying a shoe. Any doubts?
One is toe, ankle, second is twisting. What is the third one?
Third one is forefoot mobility. I'll show you this.
And I thank all our listeners for giving their time and listening patiently. So if you are any near Natural Ice Cream, pillar number,
1678, road number 36.
so there she is a consultant. So if anyone needs the consultancy, you can contact.
Anytime.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ तू भी जरा घर पे भी जब भी आते हैं
Thank you. Thank you.
मेरे सीनियर है.
Thank you everyone for listening me patiently, giving your important time to me. Thank you so much.